In this week's Hack of the Week, we're discussing the vulnerability CVE 2023-23529. This vulnerability affects Apple devices, iOS, iPadOS, macOS, and Safari. For devices affected by this vulnerability, the bug can be triggered if you visit a malicious website and allow the code to execute. If this happens, the hacker can take complete control of your device and access your device's information. It's been reported by Apple and security researchers that this vulnerability is being actively exploited in the wild. However, the exact method has yet to be disclosed. This zero-day vulnerability, meaning it was previously an unknown flaw that the vendor just discovered and has, quote, 0 days to fix it. Sinru Chi of Pengu Lab and Ned Williamson of Google Project Zero reported this issue. In response to this, Apple was able to fix the problem by improving memory management on these devices. There's also a second issue that affects just the macOS. This privacy defect in shortcuts allows a malware-infected app to access unprotected user data. This issue was fixed in a later version by improved handling of temporary files. Apple has already released patches and advises users to update to iOS 16.3.1, iPadOS 16.3.1, macOS Ventura 13.2.1, and Safari 16.3.1 to mitigate potential risks. How could this be prevented? You can't necessarily stop a zero-day attack like this one because it's an exploit previously unknown to Apple. In this situation, Apple's response of quickly developing a fix was appropriate. However, from a user's point of view, this is an excellent reminder to always apply patches as soon as they become available from the vendor. Often, these patches are created to address known security and performance issues that hackers are actively exploiting. Recap. A new zero-day hack has been discovered in Apple's iOS, iPadOS, macOS, and Safari. This flaw allows attackers to gain access to user data and devices. Apple has released a patch for this flaw and advises users to apply it as soon as possible to mitigate the risk of a hack. To stay up to date on cybersecurity news, subscribe to our newsletter. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel and visit our website to learn more about cybersecurity.